have no idea what that sound is. I'm checking underneath and I don't think there's anything there. So I'm guessing it's the cooling fan. I'm not sure. Sorry, that was my hard drive, external one. So if any of you guys can, well, know what this is, then please let me know. I've checked the cooling fins, the heatsink fins, and I can't find any debris in the middle, in between of them. So my guess is the cooling fan. This part here could be on its way out. So if you listen carefully, and carefully onto the hard drive. And right now I'm actually playing a game as a test whilst I've got the console apart. As you see, in between of the fins, obviously you can't really see too well, but in between of the fins, that is what, I don't know if there's any rattling inside that I missed or if it's the cooling fan, but that's what is making the noise. I don't think it's the APU, so yeah, that's that.